Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families and you are enjoying the weather as well. So as you know that we are doing tenses nowadays. So we are doing continuous tense. We have already done present continuous and today we will do past continuous tense. But before that we have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Monday 19th December 2020. Our subject is English grammar, obviously it's grammar topic. And your topic is past continuous tense. So when to use continuous tense? We use the continuous tense to talk about something which is in progress at the time of speaking. When, for example, I am speaking right now. Okay, we will use continuous tense when we are talking about something which is in progress, um, which was about to complete at the time of speaking. I am teaching. Right now, I am teaching. So, when you will talk about me, what was I doing yesterday at this time? Or you will say that teacher was teaching at that time. Okay? So, here are few examples of, first we will know, good to know, to be. Singular forms, I already explained singular and plurals. I, we will use was with I, he, she, it, or any noun. And were with plural forms, we, you, they. Okay? So here are a few examples. Look at these sentences. I was talking on the phone. I was talking on the phone means I am talking about yesterday or day before yesterday. Okay? We were cooking dinner. Ali was walking in the garden. They are in past continuous tense. These are examples of past continuous tense. So how to form past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is just same like present continuous tense. We will only change verb to be or helping verbs which are was and were. If you remember, present continuous tense we were using is rm. Now we are using was were. This is only the difference between present and past continuous tense. So how we will form past continuous tense? Affirmative. First of all, we are going to write subject was were plus first form of verb plus ing, and in the last we will use object. Examples: I was working late. I was. I is the subject, was helping verb, working. Work is the first form of verb and we have added ing. It becomes working late. You were talking too fast. He was watching television. So what is the last one? He was watching television. Now move to the next one. Past continuous negative. How to make negative sentences of past continuous? Subject plus helping verb. What are the helping verbs for past? Was and were. What are the helping verbs for past? Was and were. Plus not. What comes after subject and helping verb? Not. First form of verb plus ing, and in the last object. You is a subject, were helping verb. Not we have added to make it negative. Look is the first form and ing is added to make it continuous. For me. You were not looking for me. He was not sleeping late. She was not talking on phone. Okay, so now we will move to the negative. Oh, sorry, interrogative or questions. How to make questions in past continuous tense. First will come was were or helping verb plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. This is as same as present continuous. We will write were is the helping verb, subject is we, go is the first form of verb. We have added ing to make it continuous in the right direction. We were going in the right direction. Were you arriving by a ferry or was she eating her lunch? So now it will be easy for you to understand that only we will add was and were to make it past and not to make it negative, and was will come helping verb will come before subject to make it interrogative. So this was our topic for you today. Hopeful it will be easy for you to understand and you can do it now. Okay, if you have any kind of problem you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.